Hi Discovery Center friends, my name is Miss Jessica. I'm the Art Enrichment Coordinator here at the Discovery Center, and we are going to make a watermelon fan today, or a lime, either one. So I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. First you need a plate, a popsicle stick, and a glue gun, which your parents can help you with, and some markers. But if you don't have markers, if you want to use watercolor, you can do that. It doesn't matter what material you use. So first of all, you are going to fold your paper plate in half, like so. This is a really easy craft to do and perfect for summertime when it's really hot out. So, watermelons, both watermelons and limes have the green outside rim. So either way, we are going to get a darker marker, a darker green marker, and a lighter green marker to start. I'm going to start with this darker color right here. You can take your time with this. You can also do any kind of fruit that is kind of summery. You can do watermelon, lime, lemon, cantaloupe. I don't know if you could do strawberry, but you could definitely draw little strawberries on your fan. It doesn't have to be a fruit. So then after you got this green edge around the outside, we're going to use our lighter green right around, I think it's the rind, is the rind. So you just kind of make another line. This one's a little bit thicker than the darker green. This would be really beautiful with watercolor, marker. You could try it with colored pencil. I think watercolor would be really awesome. But marker works just as well, or even if you just have pens, you could draw any cool design on your fan. All you need is a plate and a popsicle stick and some hot glue. Okay, so now you need, if we're doing a watermelon, a nice pink color to do the pink part of the watermelon. So you just kind of fill in the whole rest of the white. And if you were doing a lime, you would make triangle shapes with yellow. But because I'm showing you how to do a watermelon, I'm doing pink. But it's really simple and really fun and cute to have for the summer. Almost done, and then the last part of the watermelon is to add the seeds. And you can color this in much neater than me. I took my time with this one. so there's no white streaks. But even if you have white streaks, that makes a cool effect too. Okay. So now I'm gonna get my black marker to make the watermelon seeds. And you can kind of have them in any direction that you want. I tried to have them kind of go outwards. Like so. And they are like a teardrop shape. I have them getting a little bit bigger the farther out I go to the rind. Coloring in the seeds now. We are almost done. Now, when you're done with both sides, you are going to staple along this edge, which a parent can help you do. And then you will put some hot glue on the top of your popsicle stick and lay it right in there, and it will become a fan. Okay, so I taught you how to do the watermelon side. Now I'm going to teach you how to do the lime side. So like I said before, we're going to start with the dark green around the rim, and then the light green a little bit thicker. And then now we are going to do kind of like teardrop triangle shapes for the lime. So let me get my light green out again. And we're gonna just draw along the edge of the plate with rounded triangles, like a teardrop almost. And these don't have to be perfect because we're gonna color these in. So these get colored in that light green. Just coloring in these triangles, and then we're going to fill in the white spots with a yellow. I know sometimes it's important for me to have two different kinds of the same marker while I'm making artwork in case it runs dry. That's why I have two of these yellow markers next to me for when we do the yellow. Because I'm not sure, I know with lighter colors they kind of run out fast, it seems. So now we're just going in with the yellow around the white part to fill in the rest of the lime. You could also make a lemon with a bunch of different kinds of yellows. You would need a lot of different kinds of tones and shades of yellow. A darker yellow, a lighter yellow. Thought a lime was a little bit easier to draw. Okay, finishing up with that yellow, and there is your lime. Thank you, I hope you enjoy.